Kilo, verify your type aircraft, please.
C-182.
Skylight, okay, copy, thanks. Two Papa Delta, what's your position?
We are 6 miles to the north at 700 feet, 2 Papa Delta.
Okay, copy, thanks. And do you have anything on TCAS in that area?
We do not, 2 Papa Delta.
Okay, copy.
And Galveston Tower, Centurion 732, Zulu Mike 1.3 from Rolf.
And Centurion 732 Zulu Mike, Galveston Tower, I copy. Say altitude and distance from Galveston, please.
2000 descending, distance from Galveston, I'm, like I say, 0.9 from Rolf, and then I guess, what is that, another couple, 3 miles?
That's 6 miles, I think, 6 miles from Rolf. Okay, traffic is a helicopter, approximately 5 mile final, runway 17, or 5 miles north, runway 17, last reported 700 feet.
Okay, 2 Zulu Mike, I've got him at minus 1,000, 2 o'clock, and that'd be 1,800, 1,000 feet.
Okay, copy. 2 Papa Delta, say your position and altitude.
Nice landing, sir.
We're 4 miles at 500 feet, 2 Papa Delta.
Okay, copy. And 2 Zulu Mike, helicopter traffic is at 4 miles north at 500.
Okay, Zulu Mike, I've got a TCAS at minus 1,000, I'm at 1,700.